So guys, what I'm gonna do today to cook this traditional chickpea dish is I'm gonna do it the Pakistani old school way, which is cook it in a clay pot. Now most places, majority of the places in Pakistan, especially in the villages, they are still cooking today in these clay pots. Now you ask me why? Because that's where the flavor comes from. You get all the earthy taste and that flavor out of these clays into your dish, where it stores all the flavors and the steam and the texture, so it keeps your food nice and moist in here. So unlike the conventional fry pans and pots, I will be cooking this dish in a clay pot that I managed to bring with me from Pakistan during my last trips. The main ingredient here of cooking this chickpeas is, or any curry I should say, is the sauteing part. It is very important how long you saute the onions and the tomatoes and the garlic and ginger to caramelize it. Let's just put it this way, the slower, the longer, the better. So I will keep on cooking and stirring this for a minimum at least 5 minutes on a medium heat to caramelize and soften the tomatoes and the onions.
Once your onion and tomato sauce has been nice and caramelized, add your chickpeas and 5 glasses of water. Bring the chickpeas to a boil on a medium-low flame for at least 1.5 hours. After boiling your chickpeas for an hour, make sure you crush half of your chickpeas with the spoon in the pot in order to thicken the gravy. After cooking the chickpeas for another half an hour, you will come to notice how thick and creamy your chickpeas have become. Then you will chop a handful of fresh coriander and mix it in the gravy and let it simmer for another 10 minutes just before it's ready to be served.